quality play. I'm expecting big things here.
Rodriguez. There's some potential in this move. And shoots!
Great work from the goalkeeper.
Got on the ball in midfield. Well read by the player in that part of the pitch. United trying to get down to their game, to business as usual. David Alaba. That's really the way to get the ball out of the danger zone. Antonio Valencia will take this throw. Pogba. Jerome Boateng. Now it goes into the wider areas where they've got a winger waiting. Thiago. That's a good challenge between the two of them there. Sanchez. Fred. Shot off! It's another very good save. It didn't get away from him, the ball either. Rodriguez. Fred. Javi Martinez. Thiago. Robin gets it back. Bayern Munich given the throw. Robert Lewandowski. Ashley Young. But he lost it in the earlier challenge, and now he's pitched the ball back. Rodriguez. Fourth official has signalled just 1 more minute of added time. And it's with Robin. Gonna cross it. Javi Martinez. Well, that's an ambitious shot. All credit for taking it on. It's Bayern Munich getting the second half underway. Thiago. Boateng. Bayern Munich winning the ball back. That was Ribery, who got that entirely wrong, and he knows it. Frank Ribery. Throwing for Bayern Munich. Picked into this attack. Ball back with Bayern Munich. Antonio Valencia. Well, the goalkeeper will hope that it stays like that throughout the game. Thiago.
Petit